Hello, welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. So today I'm going to show you my winter hair care routine. Basically how to get from dry hair into really hydrated curls. So let's just get straight into it. Okay, so my first step is to drench my hair in water, really saturate every single curl, because water is your best friend. What's more wet than water? I don't know. So I just drench it, saturate it until it's all wet. So the next step I like to do after my hair is completely drenched is to actually wash my hair with conditioner. So here I'm going in with my Garnier Ultimate Blends conditioner, and I just use it as if it's shampoo. So I really get in there, get all my roots, get like my scalp, and pretend that it's shampoo. Essentially, it does make my hair feel cleansed, and it doesn't dry out my hair. I only tend to shampoo my hair about once a month because it just allows me to keep the moisture in my hair. So yeah. So after I finish washing my hair with the conditioner, I like to actually condition my hair. So today I'm using the Sheer Moisture Black Castor Oil Rinsed Out. This is like one of my favourite conditioners because it actually penetrates my hair. Even just the leave-in makes my hair just feel so luscious and soft. And here, this is the step where I like to really focus on detangling my hair, really making sure to get all the knots out. I really like this brush, denim brush, because it just makes my curls pop. So in this section, I make sure to section my hair and sort of like make a bantu knot to make sure that it gets hydrated. So the bantu knots actually just help lock in the moisture in my hair. So I basically just repeat this process throughout my whole head until it's all finished. Then after that, I like to go ahead and prep my deep conditioner, and you'll see what I do with my deep conditioner in a bit. So here I'm just showing you a prime example of why I love this brush. Look at it. Every time I brush my hair with the denim brush, it just smooths out my hair and defines my curls. It just makes them pop. It just glides through my hair. I just love it. Look at them. Look at the curls go. They're just popping. I'll leave this in whilst I prep my deep conditioner. So here comes the big daddy, my hair mask. So I like to use the Sheer Moisture Superfood 10-in-1 Renewal System hair mask. I just love how it feels in my hair. I don't know, it's just a game changer for me. I like to skip it into a pot and add my favourite oils. So here I'm using avocado oil mixed with olive oil and argan oil, and then I top it up with coconut oil because it's just so nourishing to your hair. It adds shine and it just makes your hair feel so soft, and I love that shine look. And then I top it up with Jamaican castor black oil. Why? Because hair growth. And then I just mix it all together, mix, make it all smooth. And I like to just put it in the pot because I find that it helps the product last longer whilst first, because it's expensive, you know, like this pot of Sheer Moisture is expensive. So when I put it in the pot, I think I use like a scoop and a half, and then I mix it with my oil, it just lasts longer. You get a value of your dollar that way. Here you can see that I just finished washing out my conditioner. This is the Sheer Moisture Black Castor Oil, and my hair is already feeling hydrated. I can see hydrated, sorry, and I can see that the curls are starting to pop. Now I'm putting in my hair mask. This is the game changer for me because after I put in this hair mask, my hair just goes really shiny. I like to twist up in section, apply a generous amount, and make sure that my hair is really saturated because we want succulent, juicy curls. We don't want a dry hair, so I put a generous amount and just twist my hair. And what I like about this conditioner, this brand, the Sheer Moisture brand, is that it really penetrates my hair. It doesn't just sit on top. When I apply it, I can feel that my hair is actually consuming the product. It's not just sitting on top. So I'm just going to finish applying this to my hair, and then we'll go to our next step. I thought I'd share with you a little background of my hair. So my hair hasn't always been curly. It used to grow upwards. I don't know how to even describe it other than a ball of fire hazard that grew up. Hair that grows up, don't stand close to the sun because you're highly flammable. That's exactly how I can describe my hair, as a bush of flammables. But it's changed a lot. It's dramatic how much it's changed, and I'm happy because of the change, but I'm still going through the journey now. You can see I've got different hair curl patterns in my hair. Some curls in my hair is how my hair first started transitioning, like when the texture started to change. But now it's sort of trying to become one, and I'm still going through that journey. And yeah, and I'm excited to see what's next. I just want to see what's gonna do. Like, it just keeps changing. I want to see what's in store. So now now I'm just chilling with my heated, what's it called, like a heated cap for deep conditioning. I literally got it from Amazon. I was like, I believe it was, my nose is leaking. Oh, after being in that cold for so long, filming and doing your hair, it's just, do you know what I mean? But anyhow, now I'm just chilling with my heated hair cap. Is keeping me warm. I put on the highest setting, and what I like about it is that it just speeds up the process. I usually literally just have deep conditioning in my head with just a cap and just sit there forever, or sometimes even sleep with it. But this just speeds up the process, and I don't have to worry about having the deep conditioning in my hair for too long, because you know, like, you feel like it's not deep conditioning properly if you just wash it out after 40 minutes. But do whatever the pack says, but this is how I do it. And I'm probably gonna sit here for an hour. I used to leave it in overnight. If I didn't have this, I'd leave it in overnight, or I'd have it in my hair for quite a long time. But if you're skeptical about doing that, I just say do what the packet says. But me, I'm heating this bad boy up and leaving it in my hair for an hour. So you'll see me soon in my proper setup. Bye. So after deep conditioning, I just like to unbubble my hair whilst it's in bantu knots, and just wash it out in the twist, because it just keeps all the moisture in and all the goodness. And I like to just have still a residue of the deep conditioning hair mask in my hair. And right off the bat, you can see my hair looks super shiny. In a second, you'll see how shiny and different it looks from the beginning. If you go back from the beginning and watch and see how my hair has changed, how shiny it is, you'll know what I'm talking about. So I just love it. It's so moisturized, and I feel like the cap, that heated cap, helps the deep conditioner really penetrate in the hair. Look how shiny it is. Look how shiny it is. Just see that my curls are popping now after the deep conditioner. It's left my hair feeling juicy, bouncy, and just look at it. It's just succulent. I got succulent curls. And yeah, I just go and rinse out the final little rinse, and then I'll go with my leave-in conditioner. So this is actually my DIY leave-in conditioner. It's not that product. I just use that bottle because my spray bottle wants to betray me, so I had to pour it in that bottle. But it's my DIY leave-in conditioner with aloe vera and all these goodness. If you're interested in that, you can watch my DIY how to make your own leave-in conditioner. I squirt that all over my hair, and I try to moisturize, sort of like massage my scalp, because it has, in this formula which I created, it has like hair growth capability. So I just try to like massage it in my scalp and get my ends so my hair can flourish. I like to use my homemade leave-in conditioner as a base, and then I go with my favourite conditioner, my Cantu conditioner. So this is the first leave-in conditioner that I use when I actually saw when I saw changes in my hair. I just love this product. It's just happiness. It smells like happiness, it feels like happiness, and then just glides through my hair. And I find that applying my conditioner to my hair whilst wet, it's just a game changer as well. It makes your hair really shiny, really soft, and it actually makes the product last longer, because I find that I don't use too much on my hair, and it doesn't weigh my hair down too much. So this is my hair about 70% dry. It feels super soft and it's so shiny, and the curls are so bouncy. It just feels nice and healthy. So this is the time for you to go and style your hair and add your butter to your milk and just play with whatever you want to do with your hair. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Mwah.